I'm John McMullen from Motan. I started working for Motan in September of 1989 in a couple different capacities at Motan. I've been, when I was hired in a design product development capacity, and then eventually moved into a project position where I'm running installations and things of that nature.
How many of these projects do you think you've done over the years?
Boy, yeah, that's a good question. 50 to 70 different projects easily.
Name is Rafael Zepeda, originally from this area, Mexico. I've been in this industry for about 25 years, working solely for Motan since 1998, done so many installations. Luckily, we've done the most complicated ones, like this one. We are very proud of it. I work for my own company. It's called Global ASI out of Anaheim, California.
This project with this company is it's the largest project in money, number of machines, amount of pipe that Motan Inc. has ever undertaken, which makes it the biggest project you've ever led as well.
Absolutely. The system itself has just short of 25 miles of material conveying pipe, additional pipe for vacuum, equivalent cable lengths of probably 25 miles just to be able to have our communication with all our devices. There's 50 drying bins, 3 dryers, a backup dryer, and a permanent central vac conveying system so we can convey to multiple loaders on either drying bins, blenders, or machines at one time.
Energy savings with this.
Yeah.
You can run the whole system in one blower for a long time. All based on demand, right?
Yeah, especially at a startup like a facility this size. 185 molding machines is the final number of presses that they plan to have. At that time, we'll have 8 pumps on the system, 7 of them being used full-time or on or off as needed, with an 8th almost acting as a standby.
We were so proud of this. This is a very good idea.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, you run the whole factory with one blower versus 120 blowers in some places.
Yeah.
You can also adjust the pressure, the under pressure, to a higher or lower pressure. This is protect the material when it's traveling through the lines.
They have glass-filled material, and so all of our lines are stainless steel and they have glass elbows. The glass elbows, you still want to protect the material from being damaged by conveying it too fast. And so by being able to adjust the under pressure in the vacuum header, you can slow that material down, still get it to its destination without creating a lot of damage and wear.
2018.
Yeah.
And then we had meetings out, execution meetings in 2020. Yeah.
So the interesting thing is we had no commitment from this company that they were going to use Motan for their supplier, but we had committed to them early on, 2018, 2019. I don't think we actually got a purchase order until sometime late in 2020.
At a plus. Would you like to explain that? It's a key part of the drying system here at this facility.
Right. So the ETA Plus feature that we have will take and monitor the return air temperature of the material inside the drying bin. An indication that your material is getting dried is that your return air temperature is starting to increase. And so that's how we monitor the drying process in the drying bin.
So in short, you're only heating the material as much as absolutely necessary?
Right, we're only putting in the amount of energy required to dry the plastic that's needed for molding.
And then you're protecting the plastic from over drying, so you're not gonna over dry the material, you're not gonna crystallize enough, just always stays the same.
It's a significant improvement over drying material just based on time with a constant speed vacuum pump. So we're solving a lot of problems with ETA Plus.
Absolutely. Not only in energy saving, but in material damage.